To succeed in content marketing, you need to build a comprehensive and holistic strategy. Doing this will allow you to attract and engage a clearly defined audience and ultimately generate a profitable customer action. So what is a content marketing strategy? Well, a content marketing strategy is a high-level strategy that deals with mapping out the implementation and distribution of your brand's content marketing materials. It has to do with your why, people. And I've divided the why into 3 easy steps. Number 1, why you are creating content. Well, for me, I create content in order to establish myself as an authority and without people actually seeing my face. Number 2, who you are helping. So this has to do with your target audience. Number 3, how you will help them in a way that no one else can. So tell me, how are you different from your competitors? Well, I create videos that speaks directly to my target audience and memes, like this one. So these are just examples, but you get the idea. So now you're thinking to yourself, do I really need to create a content marketing strategy? Well, the answer is yes. Not only do you need a strategy, but you also need to document it. And those with a documented content marketing strategy are, number 1, far more likely to consider themselves effective and content marketing strategy and are able to justify their marketing budget at content marketing. So why do you need a content marketing strategy? Well, SEMrush found out that 47% of businesses don't have a content marketing strategy yet. And out of the 1,500 marketers surveyed for their State of Content Marketing report, 78% of these marketers felt that their content marketing strategy was exceptionally effective in 2021 because they had documented their strategy. So, the 5 key elements of a powerful content marketing strategy. So, there are 5 core elements. Number 1 is audience personas. So you can't tell the story of your brand if you don't even know who you're targeting. So that's why the first step is to identify the audience you are attempting to target with your content. Number 2, positioning your brand. So a clearly defined brand and product positioning will help you provide a consistent experience for your audience and build the right image through all your content marketing channels. Number 3, content marketing mission statement. So it will help you find a differentiation point in your content strategy and compete more effectively. So ask yourself these questions. How do you stand out from other content creators? And why should readers choose to follow your content channels? Number 4, business case and content marketing goals. So this is an integral part of your content marketing strategy and it depends for every brand. What is your goal? Do you want to increase traffic, generate leads, increase retention, maybe generate followers? It depends for everyone. So these goals will help you identify and understand how to better create your content strategy. Number 5, action plan. So finally, you will list out your main content marketing campaigns for the year and add them to your content plan and content calendar. So make sure you include these vital informations. Number 1, the content format you want to focus on. Number 2, high-level content topics, and number 3, the channels for content promotion and distribution. Now that you know what a content marketing strategy is, I want you to subscribe to this channel in order to get new and valuable tips and content based on content marketing. So make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. I try to make videos at least once a week. So thank you very much, and I'll talk to you later.